that the deputy, we will also show that the deputy governor, through his own evidence that is before you, has indicated on a sworn statement, I don't believe in collective responsibility. I am not bound by the cabinet of the county. That is the man that will be asking you to send him back to that county executive. That will be the man that will be asking you to send him back to the county assembly, who has said, I don't believe in collective responsibility, through his own statement before you, which we'll show you. We will, at conclusion, say that the continued occupation of the office of Deputy Governor of Siaya by one Mr. William Oduol constitutes an existential threat to the people of Siaya, who are now forced, some of them, to sleep in mats. Some of them cannot access medical facilities. Some of them are out of school when he is sitting on a 1.1 million chair and signing on a presidential desk worth 1 million at their expense. That is what we'll be asking you. They have said no, and we'll be begging this Senate to heed to their plea and to listen to their cry and to save them from this that is almost turning out to be an iniquity on devolution. That will be the nature of evidence. As I sit down, honorable senators, in summary, in terms of our case, we'll be calling 4 witnesses. And the 4 witnesses will take you through what I've done, pointing you out to the specific excerpts of the report. In terms of procedure, my learned colleague, Mr. Gordon, will lead our witnesses, and my learned colleague, Mr. Wanyama, will do our closing summations. We thank you very much for the opportunity, and we urge that you consider this in your determination.
Chairman, on the right one.
Yeah, just hold on first. You've done well. You've taken 35 minutes. You still had 5 minutes to say something, but thank you for the donation.